You want to censor some part of a photo or a whole photo in PowerPoint? Well, you're in the right place. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get started. Well, the first step would be to click on the photo, then click on Picture Format, Artistic Effects, and choose this one, Blur. Then, click again on Artistic Effects, and now, click down here. Here in Radius, you should set the bar to 100, but it all depends on how intense you want it. Well, in case you only want to censor a specific part, for example, the face, let's do the following. Right-click on the image, Copy, then paste the image with Ctrl+V. You arrange it exactly the same as the other one. Then, right-click, Crop. Now choose the part you want to crop. Then, click on Picture Format, Artistic Effects, and choose Blur. Then, come back and click here. And increase radius. And that's it. You're done. Leave me a like. I appreciate it too much. Thanks for watching.